Oo. Bago magpasko yata sila, no?
Hindi, mali, isang beses.
Nagpasko na sila. No?
February sila dumating dito last year. Last year. February. Tapos, dito sila nagpasko. Actually, second year pa lang naman. Dito sila nagpasko at bagong taon. Ito lang year na to yan. Bagong taon itong year na to.
Yung Milo Baby Amber.
Nung iwan nila si Paper Itsura. Papunta kaming airport niya.
This was like the most popular game a million years ago. What am I meant to be doing here? Listen, Flower, I want you to know whatever you try to punish us for, I did not do.
More water, the best.
Wait! Look at this game! Shrek! Where'd I die? Don't kill me! Shrek! Change this.
Gigil ka pati sa isa.
Wait! This is gonna be the exact same thing! Are you kidding me?
Bye.
Shrek! Wait! No! You're gonna die! Watch out! Be careful! No! Wait! So he's gonna disconnect!
More water, Baby Amber.
Change history. Why am I so far behind? I was not this far behind. Wait, it was here. It was here. Was it here? I'll be real with you. Okay, I can't change history, but yes, it was here. I was gonna say I'm dumb, but no, I'm not.
Bagay pa kita yung ganitong buhok, ano?
Oo.
Diba? Ganito.
Bagay sa kanya, yung mali.
Last year niya buhok to eh.
Maiksi.
What? Shrek's still in the game.
Matagal po bago Skipper was sa school niya.
Cute nga.
Time in 2017? Wait! Wait, I'm in this game now!
Last year
Cute
lang yan.
costume.
Naiwan ko na doon yan eh. Pero hindi na kasi sa kanya to kasi ito maliit na sa kanya to. Ano na to eh.
Marami pinagliitan diyan na keeper.
Madami na. Ikaw may ko dun sa ako kong isa. Ako ko dun sa pamangkin kong pamangkin sa pinsan. Pati mga laruan. Sabi ko sa'yo, ilang hakot na laruan. Puro kay Keeper. Marami pa kaming naiwan dun sa yung mga bike niya, na yung car niya. Iba pa yung naiwan dun sa Bulacan, iba pa yung naiwan dito sa Quezon City. Yung nasa Bulacan, handoon lahat.
Oh, dan na si Baby Amber.